Step number 1, read the problem. A school sets aside $4,756 for its athletic fund. It sets aside $1,296 less for its library fund. How much money is in the library fund? Step number 2, write the answer statement using the question in the problem. How much money is in the library fund? So your answer statement should read something like, the library fund has, I guess you could say like blank dollars. Step number 3, draw the starting line. Step number 4, who or what is the problem about? Now, I hope you once again caught the keyword less, which means you are comparing. So let's name what is mentioned first. The athletic fund. Athletic is like sports. And then the second thing that is mentioned is the library fund. Wow, what a mess. Write neatly, boys and girls. Don't write like me. So we're comparing both of those. Who has less and which has more? Well, it says that the library fund has less. So I'm going to write that here. So the athletic fund has more. Okay, so let's go ahead and do steps 5 and 6. Draw the unit bars and label. So I know that the athletic fund has 4,756 and the library fund has less. So that is your unknown number. And I did a smaller bar and to show that it has less. And let's go ahead and do the ending line so that you can actually see. So I already wrote the 4,756. I wrote, I haven't written the 1,297. Where does that go? I would just go ahead and just do the dotted line here because it shows that there are 1,297 less. And that's a good visual for us to see. Well, once again, if you look at the beginning line and the ending line, and you know that this is your unknown number right here, you can see that this is the total right now for this problem, right? And this is the number that's less. So I hope you can see that it's going to be a subtraction problem to find out how much less. So let's do the regrouping. Make sure that you have the regrouping correct. Can't do 4 tens minus 9 tens, so you will regroup once again. 14 tens minus 9 tens will be 5 tens, 4 hundreds, 3,000. Okay, so far you have the answer that the library fund has 3,459. My guess is that you'll be using that information for part B. So let's read. $948 is spent from the library fund. How much money is left? Okay, I think I already know what's coming. How much money is left? The answer statement can be something like, there are this many dollars left. Okay, draw the starting line. Who or what is the problem about? So basically this is just the library fund. You're not comparing anymore. Library fund. And so this is when you need to go to step A and you know the total number for the library fund, because look, you just figure that out. So the total number was $3,459 for the library fund. And look how much they spent. So the spent money, the money that's gone, Let's do the shaded. That part is gone. $948 has been spent. How much money is left? And of course, that is your unknown number. So you know that you're going to be doing $3,459 minus how much they spent. $948. And again, check the regrouping to make sure you did it correctly. 1400s minus 900 will be 500s. Bring down the 2,000. So your final answer is going to be that there are $2,511 left in the library fund. Does that make sense? Yes, because if you add the unknown number plus the number that was spent, you will end up with the total number. Let's move on to the next one. The school clerk prints 635 newsletters on Monday. She prints 96 fewer newsletters on Wednesday. How many newsletters does she print on Wednesday? Let's go ahead and write our answer statement. She prints blank on Wednesday. Now, some of you are going to be more accurate. You'll probably end up saying something like the school clerk prints blank newsletters on Wednesday. I'm a little bit lazy. Step number 3, draw the starting line. Step number 4, who or what is the problem about? Did you catch the fewer? You know you're comparing then. You're comparing the 2 days. What are you comparing? You're comparing Monday. How many she prints on Monday versus how many she prints on Wednesday. Which day has more and which day has less? Well, it says she prints 96 fewer on Wednesday, so Wednesday is less. Monday is more. And let's do steps 5 and 6. Draw the unit bars and check off. All right, so it tells us that there are 635 printed on Monday. Wednesday is less. We have no idea. Let's go ahead and do our ending line, which shows us. And then where do we put the 96? I would do the dotted line for 96 because it's that many less. See? The reason we do the beginning line and the ending line is so you can see that the total number is 635. And Wednesday is this many less. Okay? Which immediately tells you you must subtract to find your unknown number n. All right, let's do our regrouping. 15 ones minus 6 ones will be 9 ones. Regroup again. 12 tens minus 9 tens will be 3 tens. So now we know that she prints 539 on Wednesday. Let's keep that in mind because for part B, you usually end up using information from part A. Part B says, how many newsletters does she print in all? Okay, so your answer statement is she prints this much in all. Starting line. Who or what is the problem about? Now you're not comparing anymore. You're just talking about the total number of newsletters, right? Okay, so in all. What about in all? And you're like, wait a minute. We have all the information we need for this in the previous problem. So Monday, she printed 635. 635 for Monday. And then look, how many did she print on Wednesday? The other part is 539 for Wednesday. So look guys, it's just a simple part whole. Monday was 635, and Wednesday was 539. What is the total number? The question is, how much did she print in all, right? So simple addition. So you're just doing Monday plus Wednesday. And let's regroup. And the answer should be that she prints 1,174 pages in all. Please double check your own answers and
Zoe,
make any corrections necessary.
everyone wants to see you again. Hi, Zoe. Say hi. Come here. Say hi. Boys and girls, say hi. Okay. That's it.